pati hawak resume ko.
Wow.
Ito nga pala yung baon mo.
Yes. Saan nga pala pupunta, Tay?
Mag-apply ng trabaho. May bakanting posisyon sa isang company.
O sige, Tay. Ayusin mo na lang, ha. Good luck.
Sige.
Sige, papasok na ako.
Here's my resume.
Oh, Mr. Gonzalez, my greatest competitor in college. And you're applying here?
Yes. Mr. Santos. Manager ka na. Pero paano nangyari yun? Mas magaling ako sa'yo.
Stop it! I'm the manager here. So you should respect me.
Pero mas
Wala nang pero. Go out!
magaling ako sa'yo.
Go out! I said go out!
O, Tay. Ano nangyari? Natanggap ka ba?
Hindi. Yung manager na sa application.
Eh, bakit hindi ko niya tinanggap?
Magagaling ka, pagkagaling.
Sige, Tay. Akong bahala. Gagabi tayo sa mga ano.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Gonzalez.
Ako nga.
Balitaan kong nangyari sa'yo kanina.
Yung pinagsasabi mo.
Alam kong hindi ka natanggap sa trabaho. Kaya gusto kitang sama sa aking kumpanya upang papagsakin ang kumpanya ni Mr. Santos.
Sige.
Magkita na lang kayo ng aking tauhan sa isang sikretong lugar.
Paparating na ako.
Okay.
Mr. Gonzalez. Ito ang iyong paunang bayad. Kaya kailangan ko na.
Gawin mong spy ang umanak sa kabilang kumpanya at dapat i-refer na lahat ng mga transaksyon na nangyayari sa kumpanya.
Dali lang. Ako na bahala. Pero isang step pa bago mag-ready ng amin na. Please lang, nakahanda ako maghintay.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Also, good morning.
Sir, ako po yung nag-apply sa inyo bilang system analyst via internet. Ito po yung requirements na hinihingi niyo sa akin.
Let me review it for you. Actually, maganda yung credentials mo, yung grades. Kahit wala ka sigurong work experience, matatanggap mo. So, congratulations.
Head na po ako.
Ayos.
Kailan naman po ako pwede magsimula?
So, may meeting kami ngayon, so pwede ka na sumama.
Talaga po?
With your new office mates.
Sige po. Thank you po talaga.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Good morning, guys. Take a seat. So, before I start the meeting, I want you to meet our new systems analyst.
Good morning, guys. I'm Gerald De La Cruz. I graduated at Holy Angel University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I'm Mr. Samson.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, so you may take your seat. Let's start our meeting. Also guys, the agenda of the meeting today is to brought up by the feature that we are going to offer. So can you please explain?
Sir, as of now, we already have 30 million subscribers every day within a total of 10% of the option net. This implies that we are receiving more than we are expecting.
Sir, so can we not propose our new program?
Sure, I have already read your proposal. So can you please explain it further?
So our proposal goes like this. The extra day will be added to our existing promo. It means that our 50 peso, 30 peso, and 50 pesos will now be for 2 days, 3 days, and 6 days consecutively.
Lani, call the print ad department and tell them to make a design for your flyers. We need them by the next 2 weeks. Assign also a contact sales agent to discuss this topic with them. The launching of this promo will be on October 20, 2007.
Thank you, sir, for the answer.
Okay, so the meeting is adjourned. Thank you very much.